It was a great day on the mountain. I was in control, enjoying the run. Maybe I pushed too hard. Perhaps I was unlucky.
Genex is the perfect partner for your trauma and non-unions. From the moment of implantation, genex enhances the osteogenic response to accelerate bone growth. Genex is designed to be absorbed and leave no trace. Genex is completely absorbed within 12 months. Genex restores strong, healthy bone within a clinically relevant time frame. Genex is versatile and easy to prepare. Genex offers successful long-term outcomes across a range of surgical applications.